Embracing minimalism can be a powerful way to save money by focusing on what truly matters and cutting out excess. The first step is to reassess your possessions like lifestyle. Minimalism encourages you to prioritize quality over quantity. So instead of buying more things, you're going to invest in fewer but more meaningful items that bring value and purpose to your life. This mindset shift can help you make intentional, mindful purchases, reducing impulse buys and unnecessary expenses. One practical approach is to declutter your home, selling or donating items that you no longer need. This not only frees up space, but it can also generate extra income. So the goal is to surround yourself with only the essentials, which help you shift your focus away from consumerism and towards appreciating what you already have. So minimalism also extends to how your approach is in your daily routines. So basically, simplifying your lifestyle can mean cooking at home more often anyway, or opting for shared transportation instead of owning multiple cars, or reducing entertainment subscriptions. By trimming excess, you'll spend less on things that don't truly contribute to your well being. Ultimately, minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about being intentional with your resources, which allow you to save money while living a more fulfilling, purposeful life.